Alright, well, here we are in the replant sunflower field. I was going to replant the other one, but of course it rained before I could. And the other one, I just cultivated it. And there's some weeds, but it looks great. Did not get cover crop on it. Here I got cover crop, the buckwheat, Sunn hemp. That's the Sunn hemp. That must be probably mustard. I don't know if that was intentional. Yeah, looks great. It's gonna hold back a lot of weeds, and in a few weeks, well, a week, 2 weeks, it's gonna be like a miniature jungle forest out here, and really great canopy for insects and birds, pheasants, turkeys, smaller birds, snakes, rodents, all the insects. Be very, very nice. Hopefully the sunflowers have enough time to grow. The other field, this one had an unacceptable stand, like it got such bad germination and growth, I had to replant it. But the other one didn't get to it, but that's okay. It has a good stand. It's just weedy, and I just cultivated it. And sunflowers are so amazing at taking up space, and if you give them a head start, you know, if you get enough out there, they're just going to create a canopy really quickly. They're lovely, lovely leaves, and yeah, sunflowers are pretty easy, in my opinion. Yeah, this is going to be great for cycling nutrients. With sunflowers, I don't think I'm going to be able to crimp in between them. So you'd be breaking a lot of leaves, probably. So you just rely on the canopy, but they have such good canopy. But, you know, there's some holes out here because of the all the wetness. Even round 2, planted shallow, you know. But, yeah, might have tine weeded a little hard too. Yeah, I'm done with trying to get low populations, basically across the board, all crops. I'm gonna keep planting that slightly higher than optimal population, and I just, with the twin rows and interseeding twice, like, I guess that hurt. And tine weeding, you know, you take out, and rotary hoeing, you take out some of your population if you're doing it hard enough to get the weeds as well. So I'm learning that again. I should have been more aggressive with weed control. Plant higher population so you don't have to worry about the ones you're losing. Kill your weeds, then get your cover crop planted, and that's the recipe going in the future. I know, you know, 120,000 population soybeans, probably highest yield potential or whatever, but yeah, weed control is so important in those first few weeks. All right, bring back in a week or two.